Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put a Lexus CT200 hybrid vehicle into maintenance mode. So you need to do this after you change your oil and filter and you want to have the thermic engine running all the time, or if you want to do emissions. So in order to put it in maintenance mode, you need to just put ignition on and then step once on the brake, release twice on the accelerator, step on the brake, then put in neutral, then release twice on the accelerator, step on brake, put it back in park, again twice on the accelerator, step on the brake, and you will see on the dash display maintenance mode, and also you will see the ESP light will stay off all the time, on all the time. So if I'm gonna start the car now, you can hear the engine running, and it will stay like this until you're gonna turn it off. To exit maintenance mode, all you have to do is just stop the car, and then if you start it normally by pressing the brake and just starting, it will go in EV mode. That's about it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I found it useful and I wish you a lovely day, and definitely I will see you in my next video.